Here at La Joya ASD Automotive Technology Program, we offer a variety of ASE certifications. Students have to follow the CTE Automotive Program of Study. That starts with Principles of Transportation, Auto Basics, Auto Tech 1, Auto Tech 2, and Practicum. The end result goal is for students to attain ASE certifications through the program and to be ready for the automotive industry during or after they graduate. When we go compete in Skills USA in the automotive technology, students showcase what they have learned in the classroom, from air conditioning, from transmissions, from torque converters, from manual transmissions, from steering and suspension, from alignment angles, also electrical systems, to knowing from series and parallel circuits, from knowing how to test the ohms or the resistance on a motor or even a fuse.
What I like about this class is mostly the teacher. He actually teaches us, he gives us hands-on projects. Right now we're working on wheel cylinders on my friend's truck that broke down, and we were working on my truck with the transmission, and then here we're replacing it. With my dad, I started learning about automotive, and then I started this in freshman year. In freshman year, I decided to move from health science over here just for the auto tech program. It's one of the best decisions I ever made. In the future, I plan to attend UTI. Recently, I had gone to a UTI challenge, the Top Tech Challenge. I ended up getting a $10,000 scholarship, so after high school, I will use that to go to UTI and study automotive program and performance. I really like this automotive program. It's one of the best programs here in La Joya. I encourage many others to join. It's really fun. You get to go to Skills, UTI if you want to challenge yourself. Here you can learn about hands-on, changing tires, engine replacements, transmission replacements. It's up to you.
If this is something that you'd be interested in, join us at La Joya ASD Autotech.